started coming to Brewer Family Dentistry when I was a small kid, so I didn't have much of a choice. But after I moved away for a while, and I decided when I moved back to Modesto, there was only one spot I wanted to come back to, and it was Brewer Family Dentistry. Even though I maybe didn't have a choice at first, when I did have a choice, it was my only choice. Staff at Brewer Family Dentistry have been great. They're so friendly, kind, welcoming. I get here really early at 7 in the morning for my appointments, and everyone's always so friendly and welcoming, and just have a great experience with the staff altogether. I keep coming back to practice because going to the dentist can be hard for me. It's something that I have a lot of anxiety and get anxious about, but once I get in that seat, all the anxiety is gone, and that's just huge. Like, just not dreading the fact that I have to come to the dentist, and everyone here just makes it so easy to come back every 6 months. I have a lot of trust in Dr. Dean and Amanda. They have been great since taking over for Dr. Keith, who I started with, so it's just been a seamless transition, and the trust has always been there with them. I would completely recommend Brewer Family Dentistry.